everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be assembling this 20 activities beginner snap circuit kit. So as you can see, it's provided with a manual and this platform and some other pieces. So first we need to take out this platform, and now we'll be moving on to the first project. First, project 1, light motor. First, take a 3 snap wire piece and a battery case. And now you need to place it in 3C, the battery case. And you need to place the 3 snap wire right over here. Next, you need to get a M7 fan, LED fan, and you need to place it in the positive to the battery, the negative to the 3 snap wire, like this. Next, you need to put the S1 off and on right over here. After that, you turn it on, and it should light up, just like this. Congrats! You just completed your first project. Let's move on to project number 2, fan. So now let's take out all of the pieces, put them back where they go. Okay, let's move on to project number 2, fan. First, we need to take a 3 snap wire and put it right over here. Next, we need to take a battery case and put it right over here, like this. Next, we need to put a M7 fan located right over here. LED fan. Yep. And positive goes to the 3 snap wire. Yep. And the negative goes to the battery case. And after that, we need to put S1 wire, which is right over here. After that, you need to put it right over here. After that, we are done. This does not include a LED fan, but this gives fresh air, cool air, yeah. Now, we're gonna move on to the third project. Congrats! You finished your second project. Okay, let's deassemble. Okay. Project 3, lamp. So first you need to get a 3 snap wire and a battery case. So the 3 snap wire goes right over here, and the battery goes right over here. Next, get a lamp, L4, see, L4 lamp, and you need to put it to the 3 snap wire and the battery case, like this. S1. Next, get a S1. And now place it to opposite to the L4 lamp, like this. And now you're ready. Congrats, you just built a lamp. Now we're going to move on to project number 4. Let's first disassemble. Okay, now project number 4, red light. First get a 3-snap wire and put it right over here. B to D. Next, get a battery case and put it over here. Number to press. Next get a D11 get a D11 and put the positive to the 3-snap wire, and the red should be by the battery. Okay, after that we're going to be getting a S1 and put it right over here. I'll show you. Next, so for step 3, as you can see, the instruction manual says egg is optional. So yeah. If you want, you can put the egg, which is located inside the snap circuit, beginners, and place it inside this light here, this one. And now, let's see. And now I think you're ready. Yay, you officially built a red light. Good job. We're already on project number 5. So let's put everything back where they are. Okay, now we're going to move on to project number 5, which is yellow light. Get a 3-snap wire and put it right over here with B and D, just like this. Next, get a battery case and put it right over here. Next, get a D10 and put it over here. And check, just in case, if you put it wrong. Let's check. Okay, yeah, this way. Because red goes by the 3-snap wire and then the yellow goes by the battery case. Okay, so next, get a S1 and put it right over here. After that, you're ready. And also the egg is optional in this too. So, yep. now you have officially built the yellow light. It doesn't shine that much because it's yellow.